Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places, and of course, you are working at good conditions, taking care of your good health. And today we'll be studying about adverbs. We all know what are adverbs that tells the quality of a verb. So let's just begin with this adverb. Title of our chapter is, of course, the adverb, right? You have to make a list of adverbs in the given space. You can write some adverbs over here. Now just read the following sentences carefully. The जो horse है, it runs fast. Tortoise moves very slowly. Slowly तो जाते हैं, but कैसे? Very slowly. Farmer is very poor. Farmer poor तो है, but बहुत ज़्यादा poor है. So above sentences में, in the above sentences, जो first word है, that is fast. It modifies what? Runs. Right? Second sentence में very will modify the adverb, that is slowly. Third sentences में very will definitely modify the adjective poor. Hence these colored word, ये सब क्या हैं? They are of course adverbs, right? So thus you can say that adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, and of course the another adverb. इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Adverb बोलते हैं. Broadly speaking, adverb can modify any part of the speech except the noun and pronoun and of course interjections, right? So what are the kinds of adverbs? So there are 6 types of adverbs and of course they are, first is the adverb of manner, कि चीजें कैसे हो रही हैं. These adverbs, they answer the question how. Soldiers, they fought bravely. She speaks very politely, right? Adverb of place means कहाँ पर हो रही है. These adverb will answer the question where. My father has gone out, वो चले गए हैं, just come here, right? Adverb of time is of course ये वो adverb है which answers the question when, कब हुआ. He came here daily, वो रोज आता है. The meeting was held yesterday, कल हुई थी. Adverb of frequency, कोई चीज कितनी frequently हो रही है. These adverb will answer the question how often. The boy stuck with him twice, 2 बार फंस गया है. She always helps her friend, हमेशा अपने दोस्तों की मदद करती है. Adverb of degree and of course extent or quality. These adverb, they will answer the question to what degree, to what extent, and of course the how much. Aman, he was almost angry and the cup was nearly full. Next is interrogative adverb, means of course it will ask the questions, used to ask the question, जैसे where did he go, वो कहाँ गया है, and why you are late. How you can form the adverbs? We can form the adverbs by putting ly to the adjective. जैसे slow के साथ ly लगा दिया slowly, quick के साथ ly लगा दिया quickly, easy के साथ ly लगा दिया easily, polite के साथ ly लगा दिया politely, heavy के साथ ly लगाया heavily, and happy के साथ लगाया happily. What are the positions of adverb, right? An adverb must be placed in the correct position in the sentence. जैसे you have to learn the following rules कि आपको adverb को कहाँ लिखना है. When an adverb will modify an adjective and of course another adverb, then it is placed before adjective के होगी, an adverb it modifies. जैसे the speaker spoke very well, बहुत अच्छे से बोलते हैं. The fox was very heavy, the box was very heavy, right? Adverb of manner and places जो हैं, they are often placed after the verb if the verb is intransitive. अगर वो intransitive है, means there is no object. She behaved foolishly, the sun shines everywhere, हर जगह. Adverb of time, it's such as जैसे कि always, even, after, seldom, never, sometimes, they are placed before the verb के पीछे होते हैं. Nothing ever happens by chance, कुछ भी by chance नहीं होता. King Shiv जो है, he always speaks the truth बोलते हैं. An adverb is placed after the be verbs, जैसे कि is, are, am, was, were. Neetu is always careful, cheerful, and I am never late for school. मैं कभी late नहीं हुआ. When the verb is transitive, then of course the adverb will definitely follow the object, because mother cooks the food carefully, Vasu does her work very honestly. जो adverb है enough, it is of course it is placed after the word जो कि उनको modify करते हैं. जैसे भारती is clever enough to fool you, बहुत ही चालाक है, वो आपको पागल बना सकती है. He is wise enough to understand this, right? Next is adverb is placed after the first auxiliary verb. Students should always respect their teachers. करनी चाहिए. Amit has never been to this place. Moving on to the exercise, we will be doing, take the correct options. Adverb क्या करती है? Adverb will basically modify all of these, right? So its answer is D. Next is adverb of manner, कि चीजें कैसे हुई हैं. It will ask the question how. Adverb of time, चीजें कब हुई हैं. When, it's C. Adverb of place, कि वो चीजें कहाँ हुई हैं. It's where, right? You have to underline the adverb, just write down their kinds. She act foolishly. This is foolishly is the adverb of manner, right? Radhika was absent yesterday, कल थी. This is an adverb of कब absent थी. When, it's the adverb of time. Adverb of time, right? Speak gently to the poor. This is adverb of manner. I'm just writing its kinds, okay? Slow and steadily, we will definitely lay them down. Slowly and steadily, of course, this is an adverb of manner again. right? God lives everywhere, हर जगह रहते हैं. This is an adverb of place. Next is the silent. जो servants हैं, they will go. They have gone upstairs. ऊपर गए हैं. Of course, this is an adverb of place. शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस जो है does not stop here. वो यहाँ नहीं रुकती हैं. Does not stop here. So this is, of course, this is an adverb of place again. Have you seen an aeroplane? कि वो ऊपर जा रहे हैं. So this is, of course, have you seen, क्या आपने देखा है. This is an adverb of place again. It's quite cold. बहुत ही ज़्यादा ठंड है. This is manner. I go thrice a week. This is an adverb of time. Right? Moving on to the next, you have to fill in the blanks. A tiger run dash. A tiger run faster. A tiger run fast. Runs faster than a lion. Right? This is a comparative degree of adjective. The glass is dash. The glass is nearly full. Right? He dash forgot to bring his book. He quite right. He live dash with his brother. He live happily with his brother. अपने भाई के साथ बहुत खुशी खुशी रहता है. I see him in the city. I seldom see him in this city. My sister is better today. My sister is much better today. आज वो बिल्कुल थोड़ा कल से ठीक हैं. Anshu did dash in the exam. Anshu did well in the exam. अच्छा किया. The old man is dash deaf. The old man is entirely, पूरे बहरे हैं वो. He cannot listen to us. The test match ended dash than expected. That जो test match है, it ended earlier ना हमने expect किया था. She dash make mistakes in her essay. She frequently, बहुत ही ज़्यादा mistakes करती हैं वो. You have to form an adverb by using the following word, and you have to use them in your own words. You have to frame these sentences, right? Angry. आप लिख सकते हैं she acted angry. She acts angrily. Right? Lazy. She works lazily. Right? She is nice. She is nice to me. Right? Beautiful. She looks more beautiful. Right? Quick. She does her work quickly. Sincere. She is, you can say she completed her homework. She does her work sincerely. The duty of the policeman is hard. Or you can say the duty of postman. Right? Brave. He is brave enough. आप लिख सकते हैं he acts bravely. I'll surely help her out. I will surely help him. We live happily. हम लोग खुशी खुशी रहते हैं. Right? You have to insert the adverbs given in the bracket. जैसे a scientist does his duty carefully. So you have to write carefully over here. इसके बाद do not speak so fast. इतनी तेज मत बोलिए. यहाँ पे ऐड करिए. He is foolish to lose this opportunity. He is foolish enough. Foolish के बाद लगाइए enough. Right? They agreed to my proposal. They really agreed to my proposal. Right? The main gate has been shut. The main gate has already been shut. You have to put over here. He has received an email. He has just received an email. They reached the railway station in time. They reached the railway station almost in time. My cousin is much better. आज वो फिर भी ठीक है. We are shifting to Bangalore shortly. And I see him smoking. I see him smoking seldom. I seldom see him smoking. So that was all about adverbs. Please go through all the exercises. Keep reading each day. Keep doing hard work for your exam and stay blessed. Thank you.